So during Ramadan, we would not be fasting if we were sick or traveling. But in a case, for example, if we're traveling for a one-day trip to France, for example, where we're back within 24 hours, and there's no hardship here, really, so, and one is capable of fasting, can we fast on this day, or is it an instruction that we should not fast?
When Allah has treated you with kindness, to follow Allah's raza, to fulfill His wish, is in fact piety. And you can't force your will upon Allah. So forget about easiness of the days or difficulty of the past times and comfort of the present day traveling system. When Allah says, make use of my concession, then you must make use of concession, or according to Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you cannot force Allah to be pleased with you. You must give in to His superior will. So this is the reason why old times or modern times don't make any difference. Secondly, you should remember that within fast you can travel, but during travel you cannot fast. Within one day, if you return back to your home, that is a fast within the travel. But when you exceed that, then it's a travel within fasts, which is not permissible. Do you understand the difference? Do you? You explain to him.
Wax dhalik will relax.
You see, if somebody went to Qadian in olden days and there was still time for roza, he was traveling within fast and it is forbidden. So Hazrat Masih Maud Islam used to ask him to break the fast even if there was 1 minute left between sunset and his time of arrival. So you cannot fast, let me say again, you cannot travel during the fast. But when you're traveling, then you can keep fasts. That is a different proposition. For instance, when we travel for 15 days, you can fast, all right? So fasting during travels is not forbidden, but travel during fasting is forbidden. Now you understand? You know, there is just 3 days concession. If you're traveling for 3 days, then you cannot fast. But if you travel for 15 days, while you can do qasr of namaz, but fasting is forbidden. I'm sorry, fasting is permitted. So within Safar, you can fast if it is beyond 3 days. Got it?